Happy Thursday, everybody. Lots of changes again in the next 24 hours, even. But boy, is it warm this morning. Of course, relative to even yesterday morning for some of you. But 2 mornings ago, we were a whopping 31 degrees colder than we are this morning in Springfield. Lots of 20s, a couple of teens in there, owing in large part to a lot of cloud cover out there. Now, there's a front coming in, but this little area of low pressure you see down there in Oklahoma, that's going to come northeast, and the whole pressure gradient is going to be very light around that today. So the wind will be far lighter than yesterday. However, here comes the cold tonight. The leading edge of that is going to bring a big increase in wind, and then it's just going to flat be cold tomorrow and into Saturday with a wind chill that will be, again, well below zero. Now, again, light wind speeds today, but see this top left of your screen here? It's like this line, and all of a sudden it gets windy. That's the leading edge of the cold air. So we're going to see, I'd say midnight or later for Springfield, and maybe a little sooner to the north, a little later to the south, 30 plus miles an hour. Some models indicating almost 40 on the wind gust overnight, of course, with dropping temperatures. So it's going to be a very cold night ahead. Temperatures, though, about like yesterday for our highs today because of the increase in the morning start. So we're looking at upper 30s, but by tomorrow morning, we're talking upper singles and low teens. Of course, that's not with the wind chill. And highs tomorrow, probably in the teens for most of us. No trouble dropping to about minus 10 for the wind chill tomorrow morning. And I think our warm wind chill for tomorrow will be in the single digits. So it's going to be a pretty sharp return of cold air. Now, this sets the stage for Monday because we're going to be very cold through the weekend, which means the ground is going to be very cold. And I think we're going to see temps below freezing into Monday morning. And so with rain coming in from the southwest, any freezing rain that falls will likely have an immediate impact on roadways. Now, it's not a slam dunk, but it looks like a classic setup at this point, barring any major model changes here. So it does not look like a major ice storm, but in these kinds of scenarios, even a little bit, like showers of freezing rain on a cold ground, could mean slick roads for the morning drive. Now, eventually we'll warm up, but there usually can be pockets of sub-freezing air that hang around longer in scenarios like this. So it's, again, not a slam dunk, but something we are concerned about, and so Monday is now a first alert weather day. Today, probably the warmest for the next few anyway. Very cold Friday, Saturday, even Sunday. Look how cold we start. We get back to just above freezing, but then go back below for Monday. So that's an alert day now. Much of next week should be much warmer, temps in the 40s, and several chances for rain.